In moments like these, time seems to stop.
Yeah, hang on.
Yes, you're easing it.
I'm on it. We're going through. Stay calm.
What you're about to see is real. Incredible events captured by cameras, revealing the unexpected power of Mother Nature. Mountaineers watch as avalanche cascades down gully in Canadian Rockies. For those planning on heading into the mountains this summer, please note that wet avalanches in particular are quite possible during the warmer months. So make sure you're assessing risk and safety anytime you're going to be traversing or spending time on snow. The landslide in Pimampiro left 3 people missing and blocked the flow of the Blanco River. Residents said they heard a loud crash before witnessing earth, rocks, and trees cascade down into the Blanco River, completely burying it. Massive landslide on Chandigarh-Shimla. National Highway, the landslide killed over 40 people in the Mandi district. The landslide blocking both lanes and leaving hundreds of vehicles on either side of the road stranded. Nahan Kumarhati Road on NH 907 in HP blocked due to massive landslide.
Look at that! Oh,
holy! Oh my God!
Oh, guys, we're gonna get some.
This past weekend, a group visiting from Wisconsin hopped on a pontoon to get an up-close look at the colorful cliffs collapse at Pictured Rocks National Lake Shore.
No, the other way.
Landslides have become a terrifying prospect for those traveling at the foot of mountains. Disaster can strike anywhere and at any time. The main causes of this danger are heavy rains and earthquakes, which lighten the soil and rocks on the mountains, making them easier to slide down. Human activities also contribute to the increased risk of landslides through deforestation, quarrying, and construction. Heavy rains in Erzincan have negatively impacted daily life. In the Uzumlu district, streams have overflowed after the heavy rains. The Uzumlu stream, which also serves as an irrigation canal, overflowed after its bed was filled with rocks and mud due to the rain. The accumulation of debris on roads has disrupted traffic in several residential areas. The gardens of the Uzumlu City Vegetable Market and some houses are covered in mud. I was amazed to witness the phenomenon of the River of Rocks in Terrible Gully, near Canterbury, New Zealand. A portion of a flank on National Highway 415 in Arunachal Pradesh caved in after heavy rainfall. Moment a devastating magnitude 7.5 earthquake hit the Indonesian island of Sulawesi, buildings shaking and cracks appearing in the road. A woman wearing a red jacket running out onto the road, unsteady on her feet as the ground shifts beneath her. During a storm in Tampa, Florida, on July 1st, 2022, Mikhail May Whalen decided that it would be a cool idea to try to get a video of the lightning as her family caravan down the highway. Little did she know that the video she took would capture the lightning striking the truck in front of her, a truck that her husband and 3 children were in. A Toyota Land Cruiser is going viral for conquering deep floodwaters. Brill Sandico and his partner thought the water would remain manageable until they reached Claveria in Cagayan, upon which they realized they were now dealing with a potentially catastrophic deluge. Dashcam footage filmed in the city of Harbin in Heilongjiang province captured the SUV drives off collapsed bridge. According to reports, 2 vehicles had fallen off the bridge. Emergency response measures were later put into place, and that portion of the road has since been blocked off. Potholes appearing on asphalt roads are usually caused by weak soil, heavy rain, flooding, and poor design and construction quality. Sheets of corrugated iron flew everywhere. 3 men ran to gather them up. The strong wind nearly claimed their lives as they tried to work.
यहीं पे रुक जाना यहीं पे अरे नहीं वो आगे मत जाना अम्ब्रेला नहीं है ना वो बादल नहीं वो पानी का ये है पानी है वो पानी का ये है हाँ मत जाइए भैया भैया नहीं जाना है ना हाँ ठीक है हाँ वाइपर चलाइए वो चलेगा वाइपर तो
Oh man, look at that. That's coming down right on the road.
Is that an avalanche? Hold it, it's crossing!
Yeah. Hang on.
An avalanche buried a car on a
I'm on it.
mountain
We're
road.
going through. Stay calm.
German industrial city. The RAF daylight bombing raids were suicides, and General Ira Aker of the 8th Army Air Force said they had to be done to assure accuracy, to bring them out.
耶耶耶！好家伙，耶这条。
During the heavy rain and strong winds, many signs and corrugated iron roofs of houses were blown away onto the road, causing panic among many motorcyclists. A tropical depression, after approaching southern Japan, has strengthened into a typhoon with the international name Ling Ling, with maximum wind speeds of level 8 and gusts of level 10. These moments when Mother Nature unleashes her fury remind us that nature is not ours to control, but ours to respect. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Oh, 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 hey, 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 ski, 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 ski.